this opportunity to commend the government of Kenya for reopening its borders for commercial flights. Resumption of airline operations will give a lifeline to an estimated 3.1 million jobs and $27.9 billion contribution to the African economy that has been endangered by the adverse impact of the pandemic. Uganda Airlines, the national airline of Uganda, is an esteemed member of AFRA, African Airline Association, since its establishment in 1968. I take this opportunity to commend Uganda Airlines for the milestone achieved thus far in the successful provision of scheduled air transportation services in East Africa and for the robust measures that have been put in place to ensure the safety of the traveler. Through our membership program, AFRA provides support to African airlines with the objective of achieving sustainable, interconnected and affordable air transport industry in Africa, where African airlines become key players and drivers to African economic development. AFRA membership will be a vector to meet Uganda Airlines' mission and intra-Africa connectivity, world-class safety standards and cost effectiveness. In the last 51 years, AFRA has been instrumental in developing and articulating air transport policy issues in Africa and helping to build a formidable industry. AFRA has also been instrumental in lobbying African governments, the African Union, the African Civil Aviation Commission, and the other regional and sub-regional organizations on actions to be taken to develop an efficient air transport system. AFRA has been a catalyst for major aviation policy decisions in the continent. Today, our mandate revolves around 5 strategic pillars: safe, secure, and reliable air transport, enhance the visibility, reputation, and influence of African airlines in the global aviation industry, sustainable air transport, cooperation, data intelligence. From the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, AFRA, as the leading trade association for African airlines, has been at the forefront of initiatives and collaborative efforts to find workable solutions for recovery of the industry. Our view is to provide African solutions to African challenges with win-win benefits for all stakeholders during and well beyond the COVID-19. Fulfilling our mandate during these exceptional times has been the driving force behind our proactive approach. AFRA developed a 9-pillar recovery plan to guide the industry through the turbulent times and navigate to recovery. To ensure a successful restart and recovery of the industry, the key areas of focus that form our industry actions through a collaborative approach for sustainability of the industry include financial support to airlines, harmonization of health protocols for the resumption of air transport, cooperation among African airlines in different areas including capacity sharing, training, flight schedule coordinations, technical and operations, the definition of business models, innovation with new technologies. Among the top priorities is financial support to airlines to enable them meeting their liquidity needs. AFRA's call to African governments is for compensation of losses, the alleviation of exogenous operating costs, and the subsidization of the African airlines. As for financial institutions, country development partners, and the international donors, our call is for them to support through provision of access to as much grant-type financing and cash flow assistance as possible to inject liquidity and provide targeted support to several impacted countries. This will give a lifeline to the African economy that is currently endangered by the adverse impact of the pandemic. Cooperation among African airlines is one of the most crucial factors for the successful rebound of the airline industry after COVID-19. Collaboration is the backdrop of AFRA's launch of several new initiatives aimed at raising the level of cooperation among our member airlines in different areas, including capacity sharing, training, flight schedule coordination, technical and operation. Airlines will need to reinvent themselves and redefine their business models for recovery and sustainability. Networks will be repositioned and fleet will be resized to align with new traffic flows and evolving passenger expectations. AFRA, through its consulting unit, is availing restructuring consultancy services to assist airlines with short and medium-term plans. Another critical factor for the successful recovery of air transport operations is passenger confidence. As we gradually move into restarting our industry, it is imperative that all stakeholders use an harmonized approach and a globally agreed framework of measures under the ICAO CART takeoff guidance. Sub-regional economic communities will further play an important role in facilitation of a seamless restart by urging their member states to put in place the required measures so that the airlines can resume their activities as effectively as possible. Rapid and reliable antigen tests are becoming available for less than $7 each. The industry is pushing for their use to be endorsed by the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, through a revision of the ICAO CART takeoff guidance. AFRA supports this initiative and call for pre-departure COVID-19 testing for all international passengers to replace the quarantines. This will enhance passengers' confidence to travel. We see technology playing a more important role in the new era of the industry and successful recovery. Technology will also play an important role to support the air transport industry in restoration of confidence of both passengers and stakeholders. With more focus on digitalization, technology will enable airlines to optimize operations, save costs, and contribute to more sustainable future of aviation. AFRA continues to support the industry for a successful restart and recovery of the air transport industry. We remain united with all our members, partners, and industry stakeholders during these unprecedented times. I wish every success to Uganda Airlines during this journey to recovery. Thank you.